You can watch these short Idiom of the Day videos to understand common English phrases and idioms. My name is Mary, and I am from Canada. This idiom has been used for centuries to describe someone who is very busy or industrious. Bees are known for their industriousness, constantly flying from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen to make honey. The phrase can be traced back to ancient times. One of the earliest recorded uses is by the Roman poet Virgil in his work Georgics, written around 29 BCE, where he admires the bee's work ethic. Over time, busy as a bee has become a common and enduring expression in the English language to describe someone who is very busy or industrious. If you enjoyed this little video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.